This goes out to all the cheaters. Cletus, you're the biggest cheater that ever walked on 2 feet. Lisa, you are a cheater. You've been with every man that can be thought of. I'm telling you right now, I don't want to run into you. Billy, you are a cheater, and a biggest liar I've ever seen in my life. Don't never walk 2 feet in my yard, because if you do, you're going to get this. And I'm telling you right now, ever who runs out on their wives or their girlfriends is the biggest cheaters that ever lived. I'm telling you right now. I have never cheated and never will, but here lately I'm wanting to. But just take my word up on it. All the cheaters will get this if I run up on them. If I catch anybody that's with somebody that ain't supposed to be, we'll get this. Hey Sierra, I love you, darling. Jeanette, I love you too. I know you ain't no cheater. You'll always be my friends and always will be. Tim, and I love you. Miss Clark, I love you. Take care of Natasha. And Heather, Dizzy, hey. You can go straight to hell. You broke up my marriage. Brittany, and you are a cheater. You're the biggest darn cheater that walked on 2 feet. So stay out of my way. You can have Billy, you can have anybody you want, but stay out of my way. And leave Natasha alone.